Oh, pull. Make sure this door closes. Check this out, guys. It's the defunct freight elevator. Doors have been like locked shut. Can you guys squeeze through there and look? You might be able to. Hold on. Let me shine my flashlight up. This would have been the latch. Otis. I'm gonna shine the light. Can you guys see? Maybe. The pull strap is in there. Can we use the pull strap? We might be able to. Nope, they're completely shut. There's the call button. And painted over. It's nice that they left it though. But yeah. Completely defunct shaft. It's been painted many times. But yeah. That's that. Sucks that they painted over the original button. That's it.